qualifying for a FHA reverse mortgage is a lot different than trying to qualify for traditional financing. For example, with traditional financing, you usually have set credit scores. They'll put a set credit score such as 620, 580, whatever that score may be. And you also have set debt to income ratio numbers. It may be, for some programs, 50%. It may be higher or lower, just depending on what program you're looking at. With a FHA reverse mortgage, they use a couple tests. They use a willingness test and an ability test. So the willingness test is essentially saying, is somebody willing to pay for their obligations each month? And typically FHA will go back and look at the last 2 years to see if you've been doing that. The big thing is they want to make sure that you're paying your taxes and insurance, because that's going to be your number one obligation with a reverse mortgage. Now, the willingness test does not have a minimum credit score. So you could have a lower credit score than some of the traditional financing and still qualify for a reverse mortgage. The ability test is a test on whether or not you have the ability to pay your monthly obligations, taxes, insurance, and other obligations that you may have on your credit report. They also are going to look at a factor to figure out what your monthly expenditures for utilities are going to be. And then when it's all said and done, that final number, whatever's left, needs to meet a residual income. And that residual income is typically a number based on the size of your family. If you have questions on whether or not you qualify for a FHA reverse mortgage, give my office a call.